Viewers and subscribers, on my screen is this brother here named Andrew Wheatley. That same brother here who used US $1,000 and buy a birthday cake when he went there Petro Jam. Remember that, you know? Andrew Wheatley, you know, birthday cake, you know, cost $1,000, you know, and a Petro Jam pay for that, you know. The same brother here, you know, one name Andrew Wheatley, you know, can't get account, you know, for over 600,000 barrel of oil, you know, from the same Petro Jam, you know, that cost the taxpayers of Jamaica, you know, $5.2 billion, you know. That same youth here, you know, what is a high member, you know, or high official in the Jamaica Labour Party, you know, still a MP, you know, Andrew Wheatley, you know, taxpayers, you know, pay $1,000 for a birthday cake to surprise Andrew Wheatley a Petro Jam. So Petro Jam pay for the cake there. Another same brother here can't get account for over 600,000 barrel of oil. Cost the taxpayers of Jamaica. So that means me and you, 5.2 billion. And we see the Labourite them run come out. And I tell you it's a Mark Golden proposal that them going to give every needy children a meal in school. And him go a little bit further and say the youth them are living in a rural, the urban, the inner city. Some of them have to take 2 and 3 and 4 drive to reach a school. Him go lighten the burden up on them parents. So them parents can't tell we again. Say my son or my daughter couldn't be at school or my grandpitney because me not have the fear and them not have the lunch. Those things gonna be of the past because the People's National Party under the leadership of Mark Golden is going to solve those problems. The Labourite is telling we that it can't work and where PMP go get money from. But at the same time, the Labourite approve Andrew Wheatley $1,000 cake. A Labourite approve Andrew Wheatley $5.2 billion. Why cost the taxpayers of Jamaica? Because under Andrew Wheatley watch, him can't give account for over 600,000 barrel of oil. The oil did not last. So if the oil did not last, it simply means Andrew Wheatley thief the oil. And it's not just him. Who is Andrew Wheatley boss? The Prime Minister of Jamaica, Andrew Holness. Andrew Wheatley is still a member of the Jamaica Labour Party. Andrew Wheatley is still a MP. The same guy who pay $1,000 for a birthday cake. Petro Jam, the taxpayers pay for that. The same guy who cannot give account for over 600,000 barrel of oil. The Labourite is telling us, no, it can't work. Mark Golden plan can't work. To give we youth them a meal in school and to assist them with bus fare. The Labourite say it cannot work. But the man thief over 600,000 barrel of oil cost we the taxpayers $5.2 billion. And the Labourite said it's okay. It's okay with us. But Mark Golden is putting something to secure the next generation, to secure the next scholar, the next nurse, the next teacher, the next lawyer, the next doctor, the next fireman, the next chef, the next domestic helper. Mark Golden is giving them a chance in life. I'm gonna give you the bus fare so you don't have to be absent again. I am going to give you a meal so when you're at school, your belly full so you can learn. The Labourite said, no, we will not make that work. How can you vote for a party that is against uplifting of our people? How can you vote for a party that is oppressing the next scholars of Jamaica? How can you vote for a party that is going to reject a plan to secure our grandkids and great grandkids' future for tomorrow? How can you vote for a party like that? Tell me what you think in the comment section.